Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this bird bath. This is actually the fourth time that we've bought this bird bath. Once for ourselves 4 years ago, so it's finally time to replace it. Once now, and then I bought it twice for gifts because I love it so much. It's so pretty, and the birds actually come to it. So let's open up the box and I'll show you how easy it is to put together. This comes really well packed in styrofoam so that it doesn't break in transit because the bowl is actually made of glass, so I will show you. It is so pretty. I can't get over it. I always buy the blue one just because I think it's the prettiest one, but hey, if you like the red one, go for it. So I'll show you how to put it together. So it comes with these 4 pieces. So step 1 is you're gonna take this piece and you're gonna put this one over it, and this forms the little legs that you put into the ground. Next one, you take the long rod and just screw it right in to the top. And I'll show you up close the finishes on these. It looks really organic and natural. I kind of like that look. And then lastly, you just take the bowl and carefully screw that on in. And that's it. You're done. You put it in the ground, you fill it with water, and your bird bath is ready to go. So you can see the finish is this like painted brass. We've never had any chipping on it. You could see the bottom there is like a brushed finish. And then the bowl itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty in the sun. It's easy to keep clean as well. Every so often I'll just get like a scrubber, and I don't use any soap obviously because the birds are drinking out of it, but I might put a little bit of vinegar and just some warm water and give it a good rinse. That is my demo and review of this bird bath. I hope you purchase this and love it as much as your birds will. Bye.